you guys? It is me, Lisa Concepcion, Love Life coach and founder of LoveQuestCoaching.com. And today I'm going to bring you some juicy nuggets, something that can be helpful to you. It's midweek. We're going into the midweek. This is the time where we are dating online and engaging in these conversations, usually on text, so that we can arrange dates in time for the weekend. Or maybe we're going on dates during the week. What have you. I am here to show you how to master texting communication, so that you can then advance it to a phone date, so that then you can advance it to an in-person date. This is a method that I teach people in my coaching. I'm giving you a gem. This content's on point. All right, so here's what you're gonna learn. Number one, what are some key texts, mistakes, things that you're doing right, things that you're doing wrong, and why you're kind of getting friend-zoned a little, or they're fading away, they're not catching on the momentum, you're losing the momentum in texting, and how to handle that. Second thing you're going to learn, the importance and the power of the phone date, and why you need to start having phone dates. And the third thing you're going to know is, boom, how to get from the phone date to the face-to-face date. And all of this efficient. That's the key to the game, right? And for you guys watching, you could do all of this stuff without spending a dime. I'm looking for efficiency. And ladies, you could do all this stuff without having a shower, get the hair done, the nails done, the body on point, the whole thing you need to do before you go on a date. We know, the shave the legs, the shave the pits, the whole production. How great would it be to know if this guy is your guy right from your couch? To know if this girl is your girl right from your couch? I'm going to show you how to do this right now. Here we go. Number one, boom. When you are texting these people, have some good, empowering, open-ended questions. I'm going to give you one nugget for free. I have a shit ton of other ones that I share with my clients. But a good one to use is, so tell me, what do you like to do for fun? That's a fun back and forth little banter. I'm studying neuro-linguistic programming. And so when you can put somebody in a fun state of mind where they are conjuring up images of fun, they equate you with fun, and then therefore you become a fun person to them. See how this works? So that's a good nugget. Number one, start the conversation on text. Hey, so what do you like to do for fun? Boom! Now you're getting all this information about their lives. And it's a very telling question. And they're going to share with you some stuff that's going to indicate whether or not they're for you or not. So you need to pay attention to that. And that can happen on text. Now that you're having this nice banter, the next step is invite them on a phone date. Something like, you sound really fun in my head. I wonder what it would be like to actually talk to you. Are you free to have a phone chat? It could happen right then. It can happen later on. It could happen, 2 days from now, but you want to get them on a phone date and call it that, a phone date. I'd love to have a phone date with you. How nice, right? It gives the impression of, ooh, this is special just for me. They only want to be with me on the phone. They want to get to know me. This is nice. Okay, I'll do a phone date with you. And I could be with Taz. I'm in a relationship, but still, if I was single, I could be here. I could be in my comfy clothes. I could be no makeup on watching the Yankee game. I could be doing whatever on the phone, getting to know somebody. Convenient, efficient. I love it. Right? So I would love to have a phone chat with you. Do you want to do a phone date? Yes, that would be fun. Let's meet in the bed, 9:00. You'll be on the couch. I'll be snuggy in my bed. We'll have a great call. How fun, right? Nice. Okay, now you're on the phone date. Oh my God, he's calling me. This is so cool. It's happening. Get in the bed or on the couch, comfy clothes, all feeling high vibe. And so now comes the conversation. And you already built some rapport on the texting with the fun question, what do you like to do for fun, right? And other questions too. But like I said, I want to give you one for the purpose of this video that you can just go and put it into play now. Okay, then you have them on the phone. Chit-chatty, la la la, tell me about yourself. So you mentioned when you said to do things for fun, you like to go paddleboarding, or you belong to the gym, or you like to cook, or whatever. Elaborate on the thing that they said they like to do so you can learn more and that they feel like you are paying attention and listening to them. Then again, other questions, other things, you just get into conversation. And if you're struggling with that, you got to hit me up, because this is the stuff that you still need to know, right? I'm making it sound very easy. It's not. But I'm giving you a little bit of something to help navigate you, right? So now you're on the phone and you're hitting it off. And when it's going good, you want to draw upon something that was said in the call that you can then do together. Oh, you like dinosaurs? I like dinosaurs. You know, they have a dinosaur exhibit at this museum, and it's only until the end of the month. We should totally go check it out. I didn't have anyone that I was going to go do this with because I didn't know anyone had a nerdy obsession with dinosaurs, but you do. So let's go together. Fantastic. This weekend. I love it. Done. Date. Handled. Done. So the key is handle the texting. Handle the getting them on a phone date. And then handle getting them from the phone date into a one-on-one real in-person date. You can do this all within 72 hours of meeting them on that app. There is no reason for you to be engaging in a 3-week bullshit discussion on a dating app to oblivion. Handle your communication. Now, here's where I help you. Woo-hoo! I have an offer for you. So if you head on over to LoveQuestCoaching.com, on there, I have a free LoveLife assessment. You'll see it. You'll see a picture of me. I'm like this. In the picture, I'm like this. It says, get your free assessment. I want to know about you. I want to know what's going on with your love life, right? So I can help you. I can answer some questions for you, which I will do within 72 hours. It's all on email. Super convenient. I think it's like 4 questions. You give me your information, pa-dow, fire it off to me. 3 days later, I come back with a step-by-step, real in-depth feedback for you. Things that you could print this out and use it right then. Okay, so that is what I'm offering. It is for free. I just want to bring you guys over there to get your assessment done so that we can help handle whatever's going on and holding you back in your love life. I'm Lisa Concepcion. I hope this was helpful for you. And you can find me at LoveQuestCoaching.com today. Pa-dow. Love and light. Bye.